What is something that's perfectly legal but raises a ton of red flags? Digging roughly human-sized holes in your front yard at 2 a.m., standing really close to the person in line in front of you, driving from Maryland to Colorado and back within 3 days. The Illinois state trooper who pulled me over at 1 a.m. seemed rather disappointed that my husband and I weren't trafficking drugs, filling up a glass from home with milk and bringing it with you to the store and sipping from it while you shop. Someone who confides really intimate details of their personal life with somebody they just met. One time my cat unplugged my chest freezer and everything in it went bad by the time I had realized it. I plugged it back in to refreeze it to cut down on the odor somewhat before emptying it out. I went to the nearest home improvement store and bought a few things to clean up. Just normal stuff like arm-length nitrile gloves, N95 masks, large contractor-grade trash bags, some cutting rules to chip at the ice, and copious amounts of Audubon. It was gardening season and I needed a new shovel, so I added it to the pile to save myself another trip.